Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about the basic concepts of the chapter data handling. The first topic is what is a class size? The difference between the upper and the lower class limits is called the size or the width of the class intervals. The difference between the upper and the lower class limits is called the size or width of the class intervals. For example, the size of the class intervals, suppose there is a class interval 0 to 5, it means the difference between upper and lower limit. Upper limit is 5, lower limit is 0, 5 minus 0 which is equals to 5. There is a class interval 5 to 10, its upper limit is 10, lower limit is 5, upper limit 10 minus lower limit 5 which is equals to 5. This is known as class size of any class interval. In a particular question, when we change the values of the given observations in any of the question, the class interval should be same. We have to take the class interval always same. Suppose we are taking 0 to 10, then the next class interval should be 10 to 20, next should be 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, this way. It means the class size in a particular question should always be same. Not in such a way कि पहला क्लास इंटरवल हम ले रहे हैं 0 to 10, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास इंटरवल हम लेते हैं 10 to 30, फिर हम ले रहे हैं 30 to 80. Not like this. It should be same. Moving on to another topic, class mark. What is a class mark? The mid value of a class interval is called its class mark. The mid value of a class interval is called its class mark. For example, there is a class interval 10 to 15. How we will calculate its class mark? We will add the lower and upper limit and will be divided by 2. Lower limit is 10, upper limit is 15, so 10 plus 15 which is equals to 25 and divided by 2, 25 divided by 2 equals to 12.5. This is the class mark of the class interval 10 to 15. Suppose there is a class interval 0 to 10. We can easily say that its class mark is 5 because the middle value, the midpoint, the middle value of the class interval 0 to 10 is 5. But there is a formula to calculate this. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 10. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2, it means 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. This is the way how we can calculate class mark of any class interval. Next topic is class frequency. In our previous lecture, in our previous video, I have explained you what is a frequency. Frequency means the number of times each score or measure occurs is called the frequency. But here is class frequency. Class frequency means the frequency of a class interval is called its class frequency. Suppose there is a class interval 0 to 10 and its frequency is 5. There is a class interval, next class interval 10 to 20, its frequency is 6. So 5 is the frequency of class interval 0 to 10 because 0 to 10 the values are repeating 5 times. It means 5 is the frequency. 6 times 10 to 20 means there are 6 values between 10 to 20. It means 6 is the frequency of the class interval 10 to 20. Thank you.